Hello everyone. Welcome to the Atesh YouTube channel. You can examine the sliding cover products that we produce specially for the vehicle in detail from our video. Our guest is the Isuzu D-Max vehicle. Our sliding door products are made of aluminum materials. It is painted with static powder paint, so it will prevent corrosion. The connection to the vehicle is made with 4 clips. When the product is installed well, there will be no water problem. You can use our sliding cover product by making 3 steps back and forth. Sliding door products can be applied to the vehicle with a locked, unlocked or central system lock if you want. Drainage is made with water channels on the side parts of the sliding cover, and the water contained here is discharged through the discharge hoses located in the main body of the product. The product comes disassembled. Before placing an order, you can send us the year, make and model of your vehicle. You can review all of our services by choosing a country from our global website www.atesmotors.com.